Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this grilled meat and red wine sauce served with baked potatoes. So if you want to see how this recipe is made, how this meat is made, keep watching. So guys, what you need is some beef. If you can get the one that has bone on it, it will work perfect. And you need to keep them out of the fridge for minimum 5 hours before the cooking time, okay? So it's really important you keep them out of the fridge for 5 hours before you start cooking them. So here is some red wine. I'm going to list the measurement and description, so check it out guys. Some black pepper, salt, sugar, garlic and rosemary. And here is the baby potatoes. You're going to be needing baby potatoes for this recipe as well. Extra virgin of olive oil. So these are the ingredients. So I've already cleaned my potatoes. I washed them. So I'm going to add them on a casserole. I've preheated my oven as well. So now I'm going to throw the garlic. As you can see, I did not peel that garlic. I'm just throwing the garlic into the potatoes. Then followed by rosemary. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of salt and black pepper. Then I've added oil as well. You've seen it. So after adding all this, all you need to do is use your hand and mix them all up together. Make sure that they are well combined. Then you send them to the oven to cook. So while that is cooking, we are moving over to the sauce. So I'm adding the wine into the pot now over the heat, adding the sugar into the wine. All you need to do is to cook this wine until they reduce in half. Yes, until the wine reduced in half. That is what you need to do here. So, and make sure you are cooking them on the lowest heat. And they are going to last minimum 30 minutes. Don't cook them with a very high heat for a better result. Allow them to stay in the heat for minimum 30 minutes. So while that is cooking, let's move over to the meat. So after 5 hours of keeping the meat out, heat your grilled pan. Add the meat. I did not season the meat, okay? So just add the meat to the pan and cook each side of the meat for 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. But make sure that you are not using a very high heat to prevent them from getting burned, okay? So after 3 minutes, turn them over, okay? So here the both sides are well cooked and my grilled pan can't enter the oven, so I'm adding them into casserole. I oil the casserole a little bit. So I'm going to send them to the oven to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to take them out of the oven. As you can see, the potato is almost cooked. Here the potato is cooked. They are out of the oven already. So moving over to the meat. After 10 to 15 minutes, place a aluminium paper and place the meat over the aluminium paper. Cover them and allow them to stay there for 3 minutes before you serve them. So I'm going to cover them and allow them to stay for 3 to 4 minutes, not too long guys. Then I'm going to slice them and yeah, that is it. So here, that is my husband helping me. He's slicing the meat the way we want or the way I want it to be. So just go ahead and slice it. If you're using the bone parts of the meat, cow meat, not pork meat, this is cow meat, you can easily slice it out. So here I'm done. He's done slicing the meat and I'm adding the meat into the plate. So go ahead and add the meat. And you're also going to be needing a fresh salad for this recipe. So I'm going to add this salad to the plate beside the meat. Yes, so after adding the salad, the next thing you're going to be adding into the plate is the baked potatoes. Make sure your potatoes are well cooked, okay? So here I'm adding the potatoes on top of the salad. Yes. Then after adding the potatoes into the plate, the next thing you're going to add is the red wine sauce. If you think that the sugar you added was not enough, you can add more. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving the measurement at description, so check it out. So here we are with the red wine sauce. I'm adding them on top. My God, this dish is a complete dish and is a restaurant like 5-star dish. If you get it well, this is so delicious, very delicious. Like when you serve it to your guests, they will love you forever. So I hope you give this a try. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. God bless you. Bye.